Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna film another clean with me. This time it's gonna be my daughter's nursery. It's pretty much a huge mess. I have to fix up her drawers, take out what doesn't fit her in here as well. I gotta put that laundry to wash, gotta empty the diaper pail. Gotta clean up her rug, her floors, throw that away. That's also trash. And then also I have to put all of these clothes away. So I hope you guys are excited, and I hope you're motivating me through this video because I'm gonna need it. All right, let's get started.
I wanna run away, wanna make mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life, wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down, wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I have to leave. There's nothing.
Alright guys, so I'm not going to be doing too much talking during this video, but I wanted to remind you that I do get all my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's and the lemon scent. So if you guys want to get a free 5-piece set, my link is down below. Just hit that link. When you sign up, you'll get the free set of 5 products from Mrs. Meyer's. This is amazing to clean her nursery because I know that there's no chemicals in these cleaning products, so it makes me feel safe. Even though she's not crawling or touching anything, I am in her room and I do touch her. So yeah, I love using these products. Check out my link below, and like I said, this is going to be more like a music type video.
Choice to make, it's my new rebellious way. In my blue striped car, she's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money, we can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down radio.
Just wanted to mention, as I clean her crib, I did not have to change the sheets because she does not sleep in here. So all I did was just kind of dust off anything that might have been on top. But I didn't change the sheets. She sleeps in our room in her little rocking plane next to me, and she only comes in here to hang out, so I'll lay her down for maybe 10 minutes. So yeah, just wanted to mention that to you guys.
1, 2, 3,
Also, I wanted to mention that as I go through these clothes in the bin and fold them, I am putting aside the ones that don't fit her anymore. So that's why you'll see me throw some clothes on the side. I'm going to do this with the drawers as well. So when you see me go through her drawers to fold everything, you'll see that they get emptier and emptier. That's because baby girl is running out of 3 to 6 month clothing. So that's why you'll see me do that.
Without you, and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long. Want you all night long. Want you watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long. Want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be. Without you, baby, want you all night long. Want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love. Baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love. Baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Watch all night, 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 watch
kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush.
If you guys have any questions on the organizers that I'm using, I got these from IKEA. They're perfect to organize baby clothes since they're so small and hard to fold. I have these in the top drawers as well, which have like, her little safety kit stuff and her nail clippers, pacifiers, stuff like that, and as well as bibs, pads, socks. I use them in almost every single drawer. I think these are amazing. I'll link them down below, and they're super inexpensive.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone. Circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone. I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll...
My camera did get cut off, but I did vacuum her rug as well as wipe down all of her books on her shelf.
Alright guys, the room is all done. I am aware that I am missing a painting right there. BRB. Aware that I'm missing a painting right there, but it's all done and clean, vacuumed. I wiped everything down. Yep. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll be doing a full detail organization video on all the drawers. I have to redo that closet, so that'll be coming up next. And then down here as well, I'll organize that with you guys in a video. And yeah, you guys, this is it. I have nothing else to show you for today, so I'll see you guys back in another video. Also, I did wipe down all those books, but the camera didn't record. But yes, I did wipe them all down because they do collect a lot of dust. Okay guys, all right guys.